What's up, guys? I'm back with another review. Some of you have watched the review I did on the River Grill. I was just sitting there, and I recently picked up a Weber 22.5 inch kettle grill, kettle style grill. Actually, I have this backwards. I can't say enough about it. Then it's awesome. As far as build quality goes, it's sturdy. Doesn't really leak that much. It leaks a little bit around the rim of the grill itself, but it's not as bad as you would think. They do sell gaskets for it. I think I seen somebody using a Kamado grill gasket for it, but I believe Weber does sell a gasket for it, just in case you needed that or whatever. Comes with these handles that have spots for the, your utensils or whatever, just to hang on there. Handles are cool. Also comes with this guard here to block the heat, because this does get hot. This is as cool as ambient temperature. It's about 40 degrees outside right now, and it's cool to touch. It does come with a temp gauge. Temp gauge I don't really rely on because it's way up here, and I need to know what the temperature is down there. So, whatever. Handles on both sides. You have a spot for, whatever, if you want to put something on here. I don't know what you would put on here, to be honest, but it's there. I think it just gives it more rigidity, if anything. Also, it has this awesome basket. When you're done with your cook, you just set it on this side over here. This handle moves freely. Move it over to this side. And then once you're done, once, all your coals have cooled off or whatever, and they're off, you can set it to garbage and everything dumps into here. It's as easy as just squeezing this. Here. Pull down, slide out, and then everything comes out. So dumping it and cleaning it is so easy. Putting it back in with the phone in my hand is kind of hard, but there, done. So as far as that goes, inside I'm doing right now a pork shoulder and some pork belly burnt ends. This has the hook for the cover, which is awesome. It's right there, actually. You just take it and there. Now, some of the features that it does come with, the grate itself actually has, so you can add your coals without having to lift everything up, which is freaking awesome. Slide that back down, boom, done. Doing the pork shoulder. About to put these in a pan and start getting those into with some sauce. Now, if you guys notice, I have two other temp gauges here. One is there because I want to know what the temperature is down here where the meat is, and another one here. Why do I have two? Because this one's really shitty and this one's even worse. So yeah. Anyways, so and both sides actually lift up from here. This side lifts up as well. So it's actually, I can't say enough about this grill, man. That one I'll probably turn into something like, just for quick cooks or whatever. Nothing for smoking, because if you guys seen my other review on that, it sucks. The River Grill it's just bad. Anyways, so as far as this goes, can't say enough about it. It's awesome. Well built. Love that it's porcelain coated, so that, as far as durability goes, it's going to last a long time. And yeah, so I want to extend my gratitude to my new subscribers and everybody else who has subscribed. I appreciate it. I look forward to sharing my new posts that I'm going to be doing pretty soon. I'm going to be uploading a lot of other videos probably this summer, as far as cooks going and everything. I want to start getting more into that, and you know, stay tuned. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thanks.